Surat Luqman, the chapter of the wise man. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, Alif Lam Mim. These are the signs of the book that is wise, a guidance and mercy for those who do well, who observe the prayer and pay the zakat, and of the hereafter are convinced. They are following guidance from their Lord, and they are the ones who prosper. Among the people are some who buy a frivolous tale, that they may lead astray from the way of Allah without knowledge, and take it as a butt of mockery, for such is a punishment shameful. When our signs are recited to them, they turn away disdainfully, as if they did not hear them, as if their ears were with heaviness in them. Give them good tidings of a punishment painful. Verily, for those who have believed and wrought the works of righteousness are gardens of delight, in which to abide the promise of Allah. In truth, He is the sublime, the wise. He created the heavens without pillars that one can see, and cast in the earth fixed peaks, lest it should move with you, and hath spread abroad in it all kinds of beasts. And we have sent down water from the heaven, and hath caused to spring up therein every kind of noble species. This is the creation of Allah. Now show me what those apart from Him have created. Nay, the wrongdoers are in error manifest. We gave Luqman wisdom, showing gratitude to Allah. Whoever shows gratitude, it is to his own advantage that he does so. Whoever is unthankful, verily Allah is rich, praiseworthy. Recall when Luqman said to his son, admonishing him, O my son, do not associate anyone with the law. Verily, associating others with the law is great wrong. We have charged man with regard to his parents. His mother bore him in weakness upon weakness, and his weaning was in 2 years. Show gratitude to me and to thy parents. To me is the trend. But if they strive hard with thee, that thou mayest associate with me, that of which thou hast no knowledge, obey them not, bear them kindly company in this world, but follow the way of me, who turns penitently towards me. Afterwards to me as your return, and I shall announce to you what ye have been working. O my son, if it be the weight of a grain of mustard, and if it be in a rock, or in the heavens, or on the earth, Allah will produce it. Allah is gentle, well-informed. O my son, observe the prayer, urge to what is reputable, and refrain from what is disreputable, and endure patiently what befalls thee. That is one of the determining factors of affairs. Do not screw up thy cheek to the people, and walk not boisterously in the earth. Verily Allah loveth not any conceited boaster. Be moderate in thy gait, and lower thy voice. Verily the most hateful of voices is the voice of donkeys. Have ye not seen that Allah hath made serviceable for you what is in the heavens and what is in the earth, and hath bestowed his benefits upon you in ample measure, both outwardly and inwardly? Some of the people dispute about Allah without knowledge or guidance. Our light-giving book, when one says to them, follow what Allah hath sent down, they say, nay, we will follow what we found our fathers following. What, even if Satan were calling them to the punishment of the blaze? Whoever surrenders himself to Allah, doing good, meanwhile has taken hold of the surest hand grip, and towards Allah is the outcome of affairs. If any disbelieve, let not their unbelief grieve thee. To us is their return, and we shall announce to them what they have wrought. Verily Allah knoweth what is in the breast. We give them enjoyment of life for a little, then we compel them to a punishment rough. If thou askest them who created the heavens and the earth, they will certainly say, Allah say, the praise belongs to Allah. Nay, the most of them have not knowledge. To Allah belongs what is in the heavens and the earth. Verily Allah is the rich, the praiseworthy. If all the trees in the earth were pins, and the sea was 7 seas, after it to swell it, the words of Allah would not give out. Verily Allah is sublime wise. Your creation and your upraising are just as if it were one person. Verily Allah heareth and observeth. Has not one seen that Allah causeth the night to interpenetrate the day, and the day to interpenetrate the night, and hath subdued the sun and the moon to service, each running to a fixed term, and that Allah of what ye do is well aware? That is because Allah is the true, and what they call upon apart from him is the vain, and because Allah is the exalted, the great. Has not one seen that the ship runs in the sea by the favor of Allah, that he may show you some of his signs? Surely in that are signs for every enduring thankful one. When the waves come over them like awnings, they call upon Allah, making him the exclusive object of religion. But when he hath brought them safely to land, some of them moderate their zeal. None gainsay our signs except each perfidious, ungrateful one. O ye people, show piety towards your Lord, and be in fear of a day on which a father will not make satisfaction for his child, nor a child be making satisfaction for his father at all. Verily, the promise of Allah is true, so let not this nearer life beguile you. And in regard to Allah, let not the beguiler beguile you. With Allah is the knowledge of the hour. He sendeth down the fine rain. He knoweth what is in the wombs, but no person knows what he will gain tomorrow. But no person knows in what land he will die. Verily Allah is one who knoweth and is well aware. Now, Luqman is rendered by some as, a variation of Wiseman, I guess, is a way you could say. Sort of a, for the people, something that continues. Now people say, is he a prophet or is he not a prophet? It doesn't matter. The point is getting us away from the what's the phrase, the thing that was minimally translated, but the not to purchase the frivolity, you could say. So you want to benefit your mind, benefit your soul, benefit your body, not just pass through the time with what you're spending your money on. And the lesson of a father to his son, most people, it's about what to do with the land or money or something, some political mission or something that the parent had, but not guidance that will benefit their soul. But that's certainly what you want to get ready for your offspring if you have that. If you don't, again, prepare for that day.